Welcome to Movemeon. Finding your next job with Movemeon is simple. First, tell us about your job preferences. Are you looking for a full-time position or a freelance project? Choose the industries, functions, and locations that are of interest to you. We'll also ask you to set your salary expectations. Without this, we're unable to match new roles to your profile. Be sure to activate our job alert function. These alerts notify you via email as soon as a job is shared on Movemeon that matches your preferences. You can use the preferences you set to filter jobs on Movemeon, so you only see the roles that are right for you. Every role on the platform has a dedicated member of the Movemeon team on hand to support you, known as your Success Manager. They'll be available to answer any specific questions you have about the role or the application process. Applying through the platform is very straightforward. Just make sure you fulfill the key requirements when submitting an application. We'll also ask you to provide your salary expectations for the role, as well as your most recent CV. We don't believe in traditional cover letters, nor do our employers. Save time and try to tell us in 2 to 3 key points why you'd be a great fit for the role. Done! We'll cross our fingers for your application. Your Success Manager will now view your application and send it directly to the hiring manager for the role. They will also keep you up to date throughout the rest of the process. The employer will then view your application and provide feedback, which we will share with you. After the initial screening, the interview process can start and you'll be in direct contact with the employer. But don't worry, we'll still be there to support you through the interview process and answer any questions you may have. After successfully completing the interview process, the only thing left for us to do is say congratulations. Movemeon, the world's leading community of strategic and commercial professionals.